Good morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ugo Weketelo. It is a Friday, month end, 31 October. Yeah. So ngizokhuluma guys about ngento probably out of my content. Sinenkinga yokungafuni ukumela iqiniso. As black societies sinenkinga yokungafuni ukumela iqiniso guys, and I think leyo nto isibuyisela noma isifaka deep into a messed up life, ne? Silapha esikhona because asifuni ukumela amaqiniso. Silapha esikhona because we justify izinto. Si-justify too much. Futhi I think i-generation yethu iye nenkinga kakhulu. Sifuna ukujustify izinto to benefit. Or sifuna ukujustify izinto so that into ibe sesayidini lethu, if I say that. Around, or not beat around the bush, but kunalento ethi bonke ubuhlungu buye enhlizweni. Kuwo wonke umuntu bonke ubuhlungu buye enhlizweni, kunaleso sisho esizulwini. Bese kuba nesisho esithi kukhona indlela ebukeka iyinhle kanti isigcino sayo ukufa. Sikhuliswe thina sitshelwa lo ukuthi khona indlela ebukeka empilweni yakhe iyinhle kanti isigcino ebukeka iyinhle mawuyenza kanti isigcino ukufa. Now I don't want to use the word hate, but iyangicika into yokuthi kuphushwe this narrative yokujustifya into wrong. We've seen it, yazi guys, kuna situations whereby we've seen it we've seen it kuma funerals where umuntu bekayisigebengu guys, and I'm not saying ngifuna ukuba negative. Umuntu abe yisigebengu, umuntu amosha abantu inhliziyo, umuntu abulala abantu kunemndeni ekhalayo, ethi mase kashonile imphumela yezenzo zakhe bese kuthiwa hayi emncwabeni wakhe kuthiwa asingabhekini izolo lakhe. Izolo lakhe bayingakho abantu elibalimazile. Hayi yazi umuntu uyawayenza izinto, lo muntu ulimeza abantu, lo muntu kusakhona abantu abaphila banamaskazi. Angekho lapho. The guys, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalokho. Ingane yakho mayingafuni isikolo at an early age, ingane yakho mayingafuni isikolo, yazi ukuthi he or she is signing up for something. Uma kuyingane yentombazane sign up for i-GBV, uzisayinela yena, uyazirejistela yena for i-GBV. If kuyingane yomfana ingafuni isikole, is sign up for i-crime. Le standard. Why am I saying le standard? Because empilweni in future uzofuna izinto ezizomupha impilo. Uzofuna imali ezofane ukuthi imupha impilo. Then aqale manje because akana foundation proper yesikolo engamqhubekisa imtholisa imisebenzi bese aqalani i-hustling. Ne? Aqale hustling. Why? Because empilweni fane kube nezaba azoyiphilisa ngazo, and manje azange ayihambe ngeroute efanele ihambe ngayo, nepace ekufanele ihambe ngayo. Ufuna isheshe. Now ufanele ahasile, and mind you, mako wentombazane uzohasila ngamadoda. makuwumfana uzohasila ngecrime. Now guys, into engifuna ukuya kuyo ukuthi I have albinism, right? So mangikhula angithi kunabo life skills ezikweyikolweni nani. We were told ukuthi mawuhamba nabafana uzotho mawuba busy nabafana uzoba pregnant, uzothola izifo kanje. Now I have albinism, and I know for a fact ukuthi kunabantu who believe in myth yokuthi if uthola umuntu we-albinism ama-money rituals. Do you understand? There are people who believe in that ukuthi if angangithatha ayothengisa mhlawumbe part of my body I said uzoba rich. There are people who believe that. Now if I go and provoke ama-situations where or indawo where ngizoba yi-victim of that, whose fault is it? Angithi ngiyazi, I know I'm female. If kunendlela ethize ngigqoka ngayo ngizohamba endaweni ethize nani, provoke that situation yokuthi ngirejwe, whose fault is it? Because umuntu wesifazane, knowing umuntu wesifazane, we don't do things without a motive. No, let's be honest. Mangigqoka mangiphuma endlini ngisuke ngazi ukuthi what attention I'm willing I'm hoping to attract. Now if I attract that situation ingifake ebungozini, ifault kabani? Kanti why singameli iqiniso? Why are we beating around the bush? Why sibhambatha? If your girl child or is hustling at the early ages of 20 or early 20s or teen years, abe yi-hustler, umntwana ufaka branded clothing, unenwele perfect eyidlule ezikathabile, unama-nails, uhlala yenze. Your child is up to date, knowing very well that your child is not working. Ufaka ama-branded clothing. Uhasla bani? Ubani lo mhasla? You're not questioning. Hayi umntanami uyaziphandela nje, yazini ubamba lapha nalapha yayi. Le lapha nalapha yakutshela ngayiphi? Uhasla bani? When your child speaks of this expensive lifestyle ayiphilayo and you're not questioning, uyihasla kubani? Guys, let's stand for the truth. Let us stand for the truth and tell our kids amaqiniso. Let's stand for the truth and tell abantwana bethu amaqiniso. Let us not justify ubu-wrong ne-nonsense. If your child brings groceries, wazi kahle ukuthi akavuke ekuseni lo muntu, akasebenzi lo muntu. Your child always has money. Umntana kuna 16 mara uhlala nema, wenzani? Wenzani? Kanti why manje sizofuna ukuthi manje let us stop this thing. We all know there's GBV, guys. We all know there's GBV. We all know abantu besilisa abanye basile, but let us not provoke situations where sizokubona ukusa kwabo. Don't provoke ama-situations where uzokubona ukusa kwabo. Ngoba in everybody kukhona ilanga eliyisilima. With everybody khona lele lidomo. Umuntu guys ubulawa into ayithandayo, futhi umuntu ufele isoja lifele empini. Loko abantwana bethu fanele bakwazi ukuthi iyakubulala into oyithandayo ngesinye isikhathi. Awukwazi ukuprovoke ama-situations and want to be victim, because if you provoke something you must know ukuthi kunomphumela. Yonke into inomphumela guys, yonke into inomphumela. We know this. Ngiyamthanda mina umzali olimela iqiniso, because awukwazi man, awukwazi ukuthi singathi isigebengu bekuyisibumfundisi. Hayi. So yinto esibulalayo leyo, uthole iy'ngane zakho zonke zize zingene entweni efanayo ngoba awufuni ukufeyisana. It's hard for you to accept ukuthi i-path i-wrong. Now if umzali angakwazi uku-accepta ukuthi i-path i-wrong, angakwazi ukubonisa umntwana ukuthi labona le path i-wrong, khona baningi abasazolandela kuleyo path. Let's address things as they are. Address them and as they are. Yes, we feel pain izinto masezenzeka, but okunye guys abantu bayazilandela. No man. Okunye abantu bayazilandela, loko asikubekeni kucace ukuthi okunye siyazilandela thina. Ngiyabonga.